What does getChildCount do in Godot? Each Godot scene is structured as a series of nodes, and each node has children. You'll see this test. This is my root node. It has 4 children, and this player node has 2 children. GetChildCount simply returns the number of children that node has. So we have a script here on player. Let's test it out. If we open up the script, inside of this ready function, ready is ran right when the game starts, right when that node is ready and in the scene. We can print the result of getChildCount. Now, what do you expect this value to be? Let's take a look at where this script is. This is my player.gd script. It's attached to this player object. And if we expand the player object to see its children, you'll see we have 2 children. Let's run it and see what it returns. Upon running, you'll see down here in the inspector, it has printed out the number 2. Now that we know there are 2 children, we can run getChild. We can run getChild0 in order to get the first one. Remember, indexes always start with 0. We could also run getChild1 to return the second one. And since we know there are only 2 children, if we try to run getChild2 to get a third child, that would result in an error. Let's try it out. Let's print the value of getChild0 as well as the value of getChild1. And for now, let's just leave this last part commented out. So when I run, we should expect, first of all, the number 2 to be printed first, and then we expect our first child to be printed, and then our second. Now let's look at what actually happened. We got the number 2, we got collision shape 2D, which is the first child of player, and we got icon sprite 2D, which is the second child of player. Now, if we try to print getChild2, we should experience an error because there are simply only 2 children, and 2 would actually be referring to the third item. Remember, indexes start with 0. So let's try running it. All right, you'll see we got object null, and over here in the debugger, we got an error. Index p-index equals 2 is out of bounds, which simply means we tried to access something that does not exist. Thanks for watching.